Hey everyone, it's Ashley, and thanks for taking the time to review this training. Today, we are going over how to receive, audit, and return tools to the PH warehouse and why it's important to follow these steps. So let's get into it. First, select the Tools tab under the project. On the right-hand side, you will see the Cart tab. At the top, you can see the On-Site Tools tab and the Requests tab. The Request tab will show all current and previous tool requests sent to the warehouse, along with each request date and status. Clicking a specific request will open the order. Let's choose this one that has the status of shipped. This order is expected to be delivered today, and our team is working with Paul to unload the items. Let's go over what to do. Each item has more descriptive information to its right. This includes manufacturer numbers, comments, and estimated return date. The light blue hyperlink is the asset ID assigned to the tool by P&H. To receive the items at the job, click the Receive button. This opens editable windows pre-populated with the requested quantities for each item. When checking in the items, update the quantities to reflect what you actually received off the truck. Cross-reference the light blue asset ID to the item being unloaded to ensure it's the right one. Add comments about the delivery if desired. Once you have entered your quantities and comments, click the Save Received Quantity button. At the top, we can see the request status has changed to Received, indicating the order has been completed. A quick side note, clicking the light blue hyperlink ID takes you to that item's page, where you can view information such as its transfer history. Let's move further into the project timeline and see how an audit is performed. Back on the On-Site tab, we can see the new ladder and vendor kit we received is in our list. We can also see all the tools currently on site, as well as the quantity of each specific tool model. Clicking the chevron expands a list that provides more detail on each item in that model, including the asset ID, who the tool is assigned to, how long it's been on site, and its status. Clicking the three-dot icon in this tab provides additional actions, including returning all items, starting a new audit, informing the warehouse of a job closeout, and more. If we select individual items, we see a large Return Selected button that becomes available once the tool is ready to go back. If we click the three-dot button again, we can see we still have the option to return all items, but the Audit button is now only for selected items. Let's click this and start an audit. Name the audit in a way that makes sense, and hit Start. Navigate over to the Reports tab in the project, and then to the Asset Audits tab. This tab shows all the audits that have taken place on the project. Here, we can see the audit we just created, along with its information. Clicking the audit opens the audit page, allowing us to complete it. Clicking the three dots provides you with more actions for this audit, such as adding additional items or deleting the audit. For each item, choose the appropriate status. Once started, the status of the audit will change to In Progress. If you have a long list of items to audit, it may be helpful to hide completed items so they drop off the list as you go. Each item status chosen is time-stamped with who made the choice and when. If the item is missing or damaged, add comments to help the warehouse resolve the situation. Once all the tools in the audit have had a status chosen, the audit will automatically update to completed. Let's jump further into the project and return some of the tools we no longer need. On the On-Site tab, choose the tools you want to return. As always, you can return all tools with the three-dot button. Click the Return Selected button to start the return. The tool has been added to the Cart tab for return. Click the Cart tab and provide any additional comments you may need to. Once done, click the Send button and choose the warehouse. Just like when you order tools, it will prompt you to fill out some shipping information. The most important choice is whether you want the tool picked up at the site or bring the items back yourself. Make sure you choose the right option. Please choose a return date so the warehouse can schedule it for the next job that needs it. Click Send and your request will be submitted. You can see the purple bar next to the request, which indicates a return, and see the status. Although it may seem tedious, please take these processes to heart. By completing these processes, our tools will be better accounted for, making them more readily available for the next job. And think, you might be the next job waiting on that tool, so do your part, return and use tools, and pass on the goodwill to the next site. This process can also help identify damaged tools more quickly and replace them before they hit your site. No more broken tools delivered to the site, which means no more delays in the project while you wait for a replacement tool. Lastly, by taking better account of our tools, we keep costs down. We reduce tool loss, ensure tools reach jobs that need them on time, and keep them in working condition longer, making everyone's job easier in the long run. And that's it for today's training on tools. I hope you learned something valuable that you can put into practice right away. Please follow PH University's page to stay up to date on new videos. As always, thanks for watching and keep on learning.